We are announcing our partnership with Adobe, which is really focused on how you can leverage the common data sets that we have to drive a more engaging, more personalized experience. So Adobe, of course, offers their Experience Cloud capability. We are providing integrations with their Advertising Cloud, with their Analytics Cloud, etc. A very good example of how we're working with Adobe is leveraging their Primetime TV SDK. And this, of course, is a platform that has been used to deliver some of the largest events in the history of television online. So we're very proud and very happy to be making that technology available as part of our platform and available to our own customers that are looking to achieve that same scale.
So is that in live programming, or is it in video on demand, or how do you see that being deployed?
It really helps cater to a variety of consumption models, everything from on-demand highlights, whether it's for, let's say, a sports event, to more of a TVE consumption model where a customer might want to have authentication against the pay TV subscription and be able to watch full programs, to linear events, like you mentioned. So we're really able to leverage Adobe across all of those contexts. Microsoft's partnership is actually one that we've had ongoing now for a couple of months, but today at NAB we are announcing a couple of new integrations with their capabilities. Just to kind of reset the context, we've been working with their Windows Azure Media Cloud, which has allowed us to make available their very strong, very competitive capabilities around video encoding and encryption for on-demand and live. Today, we're increasing upon that footprint by announcing a number of integrations with their cognitive services capabilities. And specifically what this is allowing us to do is for customers of our Flex offering, which is basically our offering that helps customers create content in more efficient and streamlined fashion, they're able to send content, their video content, out to the cognitive services set of services. And the benefit of doing this is they're able to automatically mine that content for very useful bits of metadata. For instance, we can identify who is in a particular piece of content. We can leverage speech to text to create closed captioning, which helps with compliance and regulatory issues. Going back to kind of the identification of users, let's say that Idina Menzel is in one of the videos. We're able to leverage the information that we derive from the content to help drive better personalization, or in certain cases drive better ad targeting. And that's certainly very useful given some of the issues that are occurring today with brand safety, with on YouTube extremist content and advertising being shown alongside it. Solutions like this actually help increase the awareness and the knowledge around what's happening in the content and making sure that the ad strategy takes into account what's actually going on inside of the content.
So just to be clear, is this monitoring the visual part or the audio, or both?
Both. So you can look at what's going on actually from a video perspective and identify individuals, and then you can look at the audio so that you can ensure that, again, what Idina Menzel might be saying is appropriate for the advertising you're going to be showing against the content. So it's leveraging both.
Okay, Bill. And give us an overview on Ooyala, your offering here at NAB, the customers that you have, the demands that they have, and sort of the expectations and what you guys are delivering.
Absolutely. So to kind of take a couple steps back from that, one of the very important trends that we've been seeing as far as the online video services that are being delivered, and as you look a lot at the acquisition activity that's occurring in the space, one of the clear themes that we've identified is it's no longer enough to provide just one of the components. You can't just be an advertising solution. You can't just be an OVP. You can't just be a media logistics capability. More and more, as the complexity increases in this content continuum, customers, partners, they want to be able to manage more of this as part of an integrated workflow, which is why at NAB we're announcing what we're calling an integrated video platform, which is what Ooyala is. And our IVP, integrated video platform, really works across three product lines. You have media logistics, which is our Flex product, and that again deals with the pre-production all the way out to post-production capabilities, so helping the process of creating content be much more efficient. We work with customers like Sky Sports and ITV there. Our OVP, which is what Ooyala traditionally started out as, and we of course have customers there like Sky Sports or News UK. And then for our advertising platform, which we call Pulse, we have customers like TV4 and IP Deutschland. We basically provide an ad serving and programmatic trading platform. So Our difference is that we're able to provide all of these capabilities as part of one stack. And we find that that's very helpful primarily from a workflow perspective. Now, the added benefit, and this is a shift that we're starting to see across the industry and our customer base, is once you start to have those products together, you also start to have the data that each of those products create commingled. And so they're very diversified, very interesting insights that you're able to drive once you have those products working together. So you have the 3 discrete product lines. Underneath, you have a data lake that's shared across the 3, and again is helping drive more insights into the process of creating content, distributing it, and monetizing it.